this stuff brings back some good memories.
I bet. Hey, is that your old piano?
Yeah. Let's see if it's still in tune.
May! There's a flute over here! There we go! You can cross now! You're welcome!
Excellent.
Oh, what's that machine?
Looks like some kind of accordion.
Angry accordion. Those blasts! Hateful! I got this. Follow me.
Lead the way.
fluffy clouds, rays of light, organs. I guess we must be in heaven.
There's even an orchestra pit.
Yeah, but where's the orchestra? Hey, hello? Anybody there?
Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da.
They must have gone home for the day. Let's just cancel the whole thing.
No, May! You have to bring the orchestra to your concert! But they have been kidnapped. Look! Over there! Look! Kidnapped by the devils!
Devils? In heaven?
Oh yeah, makes total sense.
Right, huh?
Huh?
Exactly! But now, you have to go and save the orchestra!
Go? How? We can't walk on clouds.
Aha! Yeah!
Whoa!
Now you can. Go!
Hey, Cody! Do you see these floating notes all around?
Yeah! Let's find out what they're for!
Whoa! I'm flying! Like an angel in heaven!
Oh! The musical notes are connected to the doors!
All right, just a few more bubbles to pop.
Once you pop, you can't stop!
Ooh, this looks fancy.
Come on, give me something good!
Would you just... I'm asking for just one nice thing, okay?
The orchestra.
Yeah, excuse me. Devils? Yeah, we're gonna need to borrow that orchestra that you got locked up in there.
We will never let them out!
Okay, that's annoying.
Let's get those keys.
Yo, devil! The laughing sucks!
Cody! Focus on getting the keys!
Hey, devils! We don't belong here!
Listen to you! Just take them out! Cody! Find the devils with the keys! Right, that's half of them. Let's get to the other side.
Oh, shoot! Sorry!
orchestra!
You will never find them.
Oh, yes, we will. Oh! Sorry, Cloud. My bad.
No, wait! Look! They're hidden in the fog.
You will never get the keys.
Oh, yeah? Just laugh it up, crazy devils. Because we're about to bring it.
Cody, keep hitting those clouds!
Sorry, clouds. We need your tears to clear the fog.
Those devils hide those keys! Somewhere in the fog.
Where the heck are those keys? Have to clear more of this fog out. All right, I think that's all of them. Let's head back to the stage. Look, May! I knew they'd have volleyball. Hey, May, come here. Give me your best shot.
Oh, you can't handle it!
Come on, try me. Better move those legs of yours, May.
Damn!
Nice kill!
Almost!
Really?
Gotta move faster, Cody!
Crap! Oh, out of here!
Wow, that ball loves you, Cody!
I had the sun in my eyes. Okay, let's go again. It's pretty impressive, right?
I've never sung with a group as big as this before.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
No. It will not be fine. It will be fantastico! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh!
Lovely! Good job! We're almost ready. The only thing missing is the audience.
Oh, no. Not an audience.
Here! Do you want the last therapist or not?
Hey, that's blackmail.
No! It's therapy. Now go and get an audience.
You got it. Book.
Yeah!
So, are you two a team now?
Yes, we are, as a matter of fact. Now let's get that audience.
Oh.
Hey, buddy, over here.
What's up?
Can you let us in?
Sorry, kids. No minors.
Kids? No. We're just small in size, that's all.
Yeah, right. Get out of here, kiddos.
Excuse me, we are adults.
You have some ID?
Oh, no, we left it at home.
That's what they all say.
Yo! Glow stick! They're with me!
Dr. Akeem, up bro. They're with you?
Yeah! They're my clients! Come on!
Sorry about that. Welcome to the club. Enjoy the evening.
VIPs coming through.
Not so cocky anymore, are you? Huh?
Let's dance!
Whoa, this is surreal.
Surreal, but fun!
Let's try again!
Let's go.
Hey, this place reminds me of something else.
Oh, yeah, it does.
You can do it!
It's me!
Cody!
gliding, Cody?
It's a skill I take pride in. That was a lot of fun.
Oh, wow. Platforms are moving to the beat.
hands down the weirdest experience of my life. I'm glad I didn't have to do it alone.
Yeah, it's been crazy, dangerous, nerve-wracking, but fun.
Fun indeed.
Hear that crowd, May?
Yeah, this is exciting!
Hey, we didn't do anything.
Why are they booing at us?
Okay, baby, groove it. Woohoo! Come on, glow sticks, dance with me. What are you doing? Where are you going? Come on, glow sticks. Hey, Cody, May, play some music. Make them dance.
Maybe they will if you leave the dance floor.
Yeah, dude, seriously, I think you're scaring them.
No way, baby. I'm killing it. Can't you see my hip gyrations? Woo!
Oh, please stop.
Oh, please, no.
Woohoo! Oh my God, my moves are so good. Look at this, right, left. But to make the audience dance, you need to play the music. Get the audience on the floor. Let's DJ, baby. Woohoo!
Oh, boy. All right. Let's, figure out this DJ thing.
I'm sure we can make them dance again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
We're actually doing well, May. The crowd is coming back.
Yes! Let's keep this up!
Damn it, we're losing them. We gotta step it up, May.
Yeah, we're gonna make them dance.
Uh-huh.
Hey. Ah! Oh yeah.
Feel it? That's right.
amazing.
Absolutely incredible.
Look at them. Yeah, look at that audience. They're excited.
Yeah, so am I.
Are you ready for your performance, May?
Are we still missing something?
No, we got everything we need. It's showtime, baby. Woo! You hear that, May? You hear the anticipation?
I haven't performed in front of an audience for ages.
May, it'll be fine. Just think of them all in their underwear.
Yes, that will make you relax. Cody, let's go prep the stage.
Okay, Buck. Hey, May, break a leg.
I can't do this. I can't do it.
May, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know.
Oh, yes, it does. If it's not perfect, I'll let them down.
No, just sing from your heart. You weren't born to be perfect. You were born to be you.
Sing from the heart.
Whoa. This is gonna be special.
Hi, guys.
Come on, May. You can do this. I believe in you. Come on.
to it when you feel better. I love you, Mum.
You can do this, May. I know you can. That was beautiful, May.
Thank you.
Look at them. So beautiful. Oh, love heals all. Adios!
Rose. Cody,
May!
it worked.
Yeah, we're back.
Where's Rose?
I don't know.
Rose?
Hey,
What?
a letter.
Dear Mum and Dad, I'm sorry that I did this to you. I know how to make everything good again. All you have to do is stop fighting. I know I'm not a perfect daughter.
Wait, what?
I'm sorry I don't like to brush my teeth. I'm sorry I read books after bedtime. I'm sorry I don't put my toys where they should be. I know it's my fault you want a divorce.
She's blaming herself.
She thinks it's her fault.
I'll leave you alone so you can become friends again. You should be friends. I love you, Mum. I love you, Dad. P.S. I have my pocket money to buy a bus ticket. Don't worry. I packed a sandwich and a lollipop.
Oh no.
Rose.
Rose!
Sweetie!
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about me. You can go home.
No. Rose, honey, it's not your fault that we've been fighting.
It isn't.
No, Rose. It was never your fault.
Okay. So... does that mean you can become friends again?
Honey, listen, whatever happens, your mom and me, we will always be there for you.
And will always love you.
Always.
Okay.
Come here. Where did you find this?
I found it at school. In a trash can.
Well, I'm glad you did.
Sometimes you can find real treasures in the trash.
Come on. Let's go home.
Okay, so Rose, if your mom had to fight an aggressive squirrel double her size, who do you think would win?
Mom, of course.
You're right. That's why I like to hang out with her.
Cody, I used to think you were completely irrational. But I have to say, you make more sense now.